For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Over the last couple of years, Team India's pace battery has become a force to reckon with. Indian pacers have been mighty successful at home and overseas. Credit goes to Team India's bowling coach Bharat Arun, who has done an exceptional job with the pacers. Bharat Arun has been able to bring the best out of the bowlers in adverse conditions and situations. Bharat Arun has revealed the reason behind India's pace bowling unit's success of late. Team India's bowling coach says that the workload management is the key behind success of the Indian pacers in Test cricket, ODIs and T20 internationals. When we talk about workload management, we are looking at the number of overs a bowler has bowled. But then a bowler can overexert himself in a game, and that is not under your control. So, we can use the GPS tracker to monitor all his movements on the field. For example, a bowler runs around 20 kilometers on the field, and the tracker gives us a lot of data and information about the bowler concerned. By analyzing those data, you can manage the workload at training sessions. Basically, you need to find the right balance, and the Indian bowlers have managed to do that so far. This is the reason why we are successful as a bowling unit, and the bowlers can bowl at 140 kilometers per hour regularly. Indian pacers have performed exponentially well, which has made Team India lethal in every condition. The likes of Jasprit Bumrah, Ishant Sharma, Umesh Yadav and Mohammad Shami have been exemplary in recent times. All of them have unique strengths and have been delivering for the team consistently in all conditions. Under the leadership of Virat Kohli, Indian fast bowlers have come a long way and have emerged as match winners. Since January 2018, all the four Indian pacers have been outstanding for Team India with the red ball. Ishant Sharma is the leader of the pack and has played 18 test matches and has bagged 71 wickets at an economy of 2.75. This is by far his best performance as a bowler in his decade-long career. Up next is Umesh Yadav, who has played 10 test matches in the past 2 years and has bagged 45 wickets at an economy of 3.36. The economy might be on the higher side, but most importantly, he has given Team India those crucial breakthroughs up front and with the old ball as well. Mohammad Shami in 22 test matches has bagged a total of 85 wickets at an economy of 3.18. He is surely the most improved bowler in terms of fitness and performances in the past 2 years. Next up is Jasprit Bumrah, who has been the find for Team India in Test cricket with 68 wickets from 14 matches. He has the least economy rate amongst all the four pacers and has been India's hero with the ball on multiple occasions in his already shortened career. Bhuvneshwar Kumar has played only 2 test matches, largely due to injuries, in which he has bagged 10 wickets at an economy of 3.02. Gone are the days when Team India was dependent on spinners to provide breakthroughs and win matches. Indian pacers in the past 2 years have shown that they have it in them to produce consistent performances and win matches on their own against the best in the world.